Even though I did have some difficulties in the past, especially with the amount of times I had to move, but ever since I came here to live with Andy, things have really turned around for me.
I think that the issue was, each term, he wasn't sure where he was going to be for the half terms or the holidays. And he came here first in October, 3 years ago now, for a trial. And then at the end of it, I sat down with Richard and Gareth, and so they said, could he come back at Christmas? And then of course he became under the shared life system. For me, it's been really easy having somebody else in the house. And it was probably easier because he was coming each half term, building up to when he finished at Ruskin, and then he'd be here permanently. So it was like a stepping stone towards permanence, if you like. And it's given him, I think it's fair to say, it's given him a lot more confidence.
I painted these myself, and I drew those.
We had a good day. There's a monkey sanctuary near Neath where they rescue chimps and all different apes, and that was a good laugh, wasn't it, down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good day. That was, yeah.
When I first came to come here permanently, it was the best feeling that I've ever had. I felt like I finally found somewhere where I truly belong.
Oh, does that mean we've got to keep you? Aye, you can stay. So no real disasters and plenty of good food.